To upload a custom test or lesson plan into your Toolkit account, first, click on the link or name of the file to download it to your computer. You should see the downloaded file pop up on your screen, but if it doesn't appear, check the Downloads folder on your device to see if it's there. The downloaded file is a special file type that can only be opened and viewed within SLP Toolkit. So next, you will need to import the file into your Toolkit account. For custom screeners, head to the Students tab and enter the assessment library. Select Create Your Own and then click Upload to choose your downloaded file. You can now preview the test or assign it to a student. For custom CRTs, enter the Progress Monitoring library and follow the same steps. And for lesson plans, head to the Plan tab, select Add a new plan, and then choose Upload a plan. And now you are set!